This pair of vases decorated with stilt walkers was made by the Baccarat crystal works around 1880. Founded under Louis XV, the French Baccarat crystal works demonstrated their excellence at the universal exhibitions throughout the 19th century. At the end of the 19th century, it created this pair of vases in opaline glass, a milky, translucent glass with green and gold decoration. These two baluster-shaped vases are of the highest quality. Their Japanese-style decoration features two pairs of stilt walkers, whose various positions bring the surrounding waterscape to life. At the base of each vase, to represent the earth, the decoration is enhanced with green, while all the details are executed in gold. The gradation of these colors highlights the whiteness and translucency of the glass. The influence of Japanese prints is perceptible in the theme, as well as in the way the space is constructed and the landscape and animals are depicted. The Mark Maison Gallery has another pair of vases whose gold enamel decorations depict a Japanese landscape with Far Eastern flora and fauna.